In this video, we're going to talk about how to check your grade in Schoology for an exam and how to retake that exam. So the first step I'm going to do is to log into Schoology and then click on grades on the left-hand side. When I do, I'm going to see my overall grade on the very first line, and then below where it says assessments, these are the assessments that we've taken so far. Right, and if you are in quarter 4, we might not have taken both of these yet, and the grades associated with that assessment. So let's say I want to retake Unit 5, Molecular Structures exam. Go ahead and click on the title. And then you're going to click on View Assessments on the right-hand side. And when you click on View Assessment on the right-hand side, you're going to run into some questions. Right, so it'll look something like this. So if you get things correct, everything will be marked in green, but if you get something wrong, it'll be marked in red, as shown here. And below, it'll say instructor's comment, and there's going to be a link to an explanation or a link to a YouTube video on how to correctly solve. Right, so all you need to do is copy and paste into a new tab, and you'll be able to see a written version of the explanation or a video guide of the explanation, right? And what we're going to do with this is we're going to pull up a retake document in order to explain what errors we made and how to correctly solve. So after we view this, we're going to go to the main page of Schoology again, and then click on where it says how to retake tests. And you'll notice that in step 2, it says if you want to retake, please complete the retake document. So click on the retake document. It's going to ask you if you want to make a copy of the retake doc. You're going to select make a copy. And essentially what you're going to do is fill this out. So the name of the exam, your name, what period you're in, what question number you got wrong, and how to correctly solve, or what do you need to know to solve, right? So for example, for question 8, to figure out what I need to know to solve, I can either copy over this link or read it over and type in the notes that I need. Right? And on this side, let me know what mistake or what error did you make. And then when you are done with this, you're going to email this to me or share it with me by clicking on share. And then my email is qqan@slusd.us. So you're just going to type that in. And then when you click done, it will be shared with me and I will give you the next steps. So the reason why you have to complete the retake document is because on the retake, I'm not going to give you the same questions as this. It's not going to be exactly the same, but it'll be the same type of problem. So you need to know the process and the steps for how to solve this and not just memorize this particular solution. All right, so hopefully that helps you out. Feel free to email me if there are any clarifying questions.